Mom, Dad, I want to thank you because even though I was a permanent child, you still didn't let me go. Even though sometimes I answered you badly, and that even if lost, you will always remember that I love you all so much, my friend. Thank you because you are always there when there is a problem. I hope you will always be careful. I hope you continue what we have started. Goodbye to all of you. I will miss you all.